they generally run the most complex operations on the planet, and they actually also involve large-scale manufacturing processes with large capital investments.
Heavy industry are considered hard to abate because they need generally large amount of heat, chemical reaction, complex process with use of fossil fuel. In metals, for example, for the production of steel, for every ton of steel, the process is releasing 2 tons of CO2 in the atmosphere.
From an automation standpoint, we have distributed control systems that actually are solutions that help us run the most complex facilities in the world. And at the same time, they help us integrate renewable sources into the industrial processes.
International Energy Agency informed that limit the global warming to 1.5 degrees in this decade is still challenging, but achievable.
Our main goal is to help these industries reduce their emissions, achieve operational efficiency, while at the same time scaling up renewable sources as an alternative like offshore wind and green hydrogen. So the solutions are there. Of course, they will need to be scaled up, but this is a challenge that we are up for it.